All right, guys. Let me get started on today's trading day here. Let's go day 302. And then we're up. Let's say 33. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Just trying to change everything up here. Let's go here. Making sure I get everything going. Today was a slower trading day. Let's see here. Save that. Yeah, definitely a slower trading day today. But nonetheless, opportunities out there, definitely. Without any question, there's opportunities out there. All right, let me get everything started up here. Okay, save that. All right, cool. We're gonna do a quick stream today, guys. Let's see here. Just because I got a lot of stuff going on today. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Let's see here. Let me post this on social media now. Just getting everything set up here, guys. Trying to get everything set up here, guys. Just give me one sec. Hope you guys had a great trading day out there. Just give me one sec. I'm getting everything set up. There was some opportunities out there, but definitely another slow day. Nothing crazy out there. So just kind of sizing down and making sure I take proper trades when they're there, and that's about it. So nothing too crazy, kind of low stress day. We'll go SLGG. All right, cool. Posted that. Now let's go live on TikTok. All right, guys. We're live here at NorMagnoTrading.com. Hopefully you guys are enjoying today's trading day. I'm trying to get everybody in here. Today's going to be a quick stream. I kind of want to, make it kind of quick because I got a lot of things going on today, guys. So we'll give it about 30 seconds for people to trickle in, and then I do have to get going on some things today, guys. So yeah. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your trading day out there. Hopefully you guys are enjoying, everything else going on. Definitely a crazy or a slower trading day nonetheless. But yeah, so just give it a couple more seconds for people to trickle on in, and then we'll go ahead and get started today. All right, guys. Well, Harley Jacobson, how do you buy the course? It's in the link in the description below. It says, basically it says my course that teaches you my processes. So check that out. And then you can use different browsers if you need to. But anyways, guys, so I just want to go over today's trading day quick. So you can see here, GameStop tried to long it, made a pretty good long out of the gates, and then kind of just RKT, a nice bottom bounce. I took that trade on RKT. You guys can see GameStop seems to be going right now. RKT, was one where definitely nailed so I started longing it right in here, and I kind of just held it, and then we sold right above, or sorry, no, this was the move down in here, I think. Let me double check on that. So RKT 31.86 in, 33.08 out. So. Oh yeah, so it's down in here. So I started longing the dips, and then I sold some of the rips, right? And then I kind of let this thing pan out, and I tried to long it one more time later in the day, and just got washed out. This was kind of an ugly sell-off, and then kind of an ugly sell-off, and then a perk, and then an ugly, So I can kind of tell when this kind of happened, I was like, is this going to be kind of a fader all day? There was no volatility, It kind of went from here to here, and then just kind of slowly faded and faded and faded, and stayed inside a range. And to me, it was like, okay, that's probably done, for the range at least. I was looking for a lot of range, and to me, this showed right here that the range was done. And then RKT, I tried to long it one more time, like I said, and kind of got chopped out of the range. And then OTRK. OTRK is one that I'm watching. OTRK is one that I'm watching for long-term, guys. I've actually been adding this one longer term. I mean, 3 red days in a row. Once it gapped down, I do, and I started to look into the company. It's kind of like a Teladoc kind of thing, or somewhat. I mean, it's like an AI technology healthcare. It's not anything that has to do with biopharmaceuticals or anything like that. It's just more of a technology kind of healthcare company. To me, those are pretty safe plays, especially going into the future. They have really solid earnings. But anyways, I'm not going to sell you on it. I just added it longer term. Tried to play it on a bounce, and I didn't get that bounce. And then YGMZ, I tried to take a trade in YGMZ quickly. And I started to buy some of these dips looking for 1250 breaks and like into the 13s because it was holding all day. And I really like these type of bottom bouncers where there's former parabolic runners, and then they get that big bounce after kind of like we'll look at WNW per se, right? So WNW is similar. Yeah, that big run up and then a big spike, and that's kind of what we're looking for in YGMZ. That's what I was looking for, but we didn't quite get a fall through, so I took a little bit of loss on that one and paid the price. And that was basically it today, guys. Here's all my trades, XTNT, things like that. Looks like GameStop's moving after hours, so GameStop's up to 130 after hours. This could get going. This is known for crazy after hours moves, guys, so wouldn't shock me to see this thing start to move. But other than that, you got GameStop moving after hours. There's not much else going on. A nice perk up on GameStop. This one is one that really can rip after hours. I mean, I know that a lot of people are scared of that name because I remember I'm scared of it shorting it. This thing can definitely start to rip and ramp. But other than that, I don't really have any other trades that I wanted to go over. Just kind of, as you guys can see, $113,000 day now. On the day, $121,000. GameStop's ripping up after hours. It has a pennant formation. As you can see here in GameStop, where it's lower highs and higher lows, and it's finally starting to break out of that. So definitely watching that, starting to get some big time volume after hours. I know this one, people remember this name, ripping after hours. You guys all remember the move it made. This was the most intense move I think I've ever seen. It went from $80 all the way up to 200 after hours, and then we came back up. So that's the only thing I'm really watching. Other than that, guys, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you guys have been enjoying your trading. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. Have a plan, a process, and a strategy. My free chat in the link description below. If you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That really helps the NorMagnoliTrading.com community out a ton. Also, guys, if you haven't already liked the channel, please like it. Get to at least 50 likes. I'd really appreciate that, guys. It helps the NorMagnoliTrading.com community out a ton, guys. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. Have a plan, a process, and a strategy. Free chat in the link description below. My course that teaches you my processes in the link description below. The brokers that I use in the description below. Brokers that gives you up to 2 free stocks is also in the link description below. Check all that out, guys. And I appreciate you guys supporting the NorMagnoliTrading.com community. I will see you guys tomorrow. I keep sizing down for the week.